So on Tracer you are getting to see that one is getting set, but it is not showing on UI, right? Yes, it is not pulling the data on UI. So what I'm thinking? Yeah, what I'm thinking is like we need to refresh this one. Okay, once the data transform is invoked, it will refresh this section. Okay, the current section. It will refresh. Okay, understood. So when we delete that data transform, and this set address is a data transform, right, so will it not get deleted? No, we are deleting the action only. We are not doing the data transform rule. You can click on the crosshair icon again here. You will open that rule. The rule is there, but we are deleting. See this rule you have created. You can refer the rule at whatever place you want. Got it. Got it. Okay. Now we submit the section and save it. And one more thing, I was just feeling you just save it and check whether you are getting submit right. Submit. Save it, save. You just go to your case and create a new case. Enter the data. And save it first and then click on checkbox. Actually, ideally, you should not save it. It should come. See. Now you just check on the clipboard. It's coming. It's coming right. But try to do it without saving. You again create a case. And don't save it. Just enter the data on current address. Don't save it and check the clipboard and check the checkbox. It is coming. So what is happening? Whenever you enter the data will get stored on the clipboard, and whenever you check that one, it is coming. Okay. So what we have done to rectify it? We just refresh the action, right? Because why we have a refresh? Because the data is already there on a clipboard in Tracer. Okay, Tracer is the main thing. Okay. Got it. What if it is not coming in the sum of the step? Suppose the data is not coming in the tracer itself. Okay. Then what does it mean? Is like we have configured a data transform wrongly. Okay. Wrongly, in the sense that some page context might be different. Okay. You hear that both the data are present on the same page. So we have added a set method. If suppose a current address is in some different page and this delivery address is in some different page. Now what you have to do? You have to give the correct page context. If you open a clipboard, or once you open a clipboard, I will tell you what is a page context. Okay. What I'm trying to say. Come down, expand PY work page. Expand it. No, click on it. Plus icon beside PY work page. Yeah. Okay, now let's think okay. Suppose you have one data on py attachment categories, and you have to set the data to py work page in one property. Let's just assume. Okay, you have one property called name on py attachment categories and you have to set that name value, to one more property in py work page. Okay, now the source and target pages are different. You understood? Yes. Now, in our current context, all the properties are present on same page. In some situations you will get to write a data transform right. Like, source page is different and in target page is different. Okay. Now in that scenario, how you should write is like you have to give page.property name. Like if you go to a data transform. If you go to your data transform, you have to give you a data transform. How to configure your data transform is link. You can use two methods here. You can either use set method or you can use update page method. Okay, go to your set address data transform. You can use either set method or you can use either update page method. Okay, if you are using set method. If you are using set method of you write is like you have to give the page name before property. Like you have delivery address. The delivery address is present on py work page. You specify py work page before delivery address. Okay, you write a py work page before delivery address. Py work page. Before dot, okay. Py work page dot. Delivery address and if suppose, your source is present. On py attachment categories, you have to specify that py attachment category. Got it. And you have to do one more thing. Okay, and the page you are talking about, like suppose in our case only this is there and then when we submit, then the another page will come. So you are talking in that reference. Only write that current address is going in the another page. When I'm clicking on this submit, it will go to the payment page, right? Your payment also. I mean just for example. I'm here in that context. Only you are saying page right. Correct. Sometimes what they will do. They will store a data on different pages. Okay, they will not store it all the data. They will not store on single page. Sometimes they will create some temporary pages. They will store a data on temporary pages. They will use that page after the day will delete that page. Okay. Now, one more thing you have to do here is like whenever you are specifying a page before property. Okay, system has to understand right where this page is there in clipboard. So in pages and classes you have one tab right, pages and classes. Click on page and classes here. You have to mention that page name. Suppose you are adding py work page. You have to mention py work page here. See the p you are giving right. First one piece more. First piece small p and second piece must be capital, is a case sensitive because system will search for this particular page in a clipboard. Okay, and what about W? You can see on a clipboard how we actually. It is there in clipboard. You have to specify in a same way. W is capital written clipboard. No, see the here. The thread is important. You have opened a clipboard from here. So py work page is not there. You can change the thread, or else you can open a clipboard from there. Okay,